Simple Screen Recorder is free open source software for Linux that makes screencasting easy, much like Kazam, another app I covered in an older video linked below. But Simple Screen Recorder allows more customization in its clean interface and the ability to use quick select presets called profiles. I don't need to change much though. For screencast tutorials, I choose record the entire screen, ensure record cursor is selected, and post audio source is the audio interface for my Pro microphone. For DOSBox Let's Play videos, I choose record a fixed rectangle, select window, and post audio source as monitor built-in audio for just the computer output. If needed, I record vocals separately with Audacity and sync them later. After that, press continue, specify a file name, or select add timestamp to include the date and time of recording to the file name automatically, continue again, and then start preview. After checking that the video and audio works, start recording. Once I'm done, save recording, go back to the start screen to do another take, or exit the program to start editing. Learn more at the developer's website linked below. Simple Screen Recorder.